Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. You can hear my kids talking in the background on their Zoom meetings. So let's test this machine. Shot's a little fast. This coffee's a bit old. I ran out of coffee today, out of my fresh coffee. But you can see the machine's working well. And nice strong steam. Check the hot water. Hot water's working well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.